Hi everyone! We're live!
ALT Gym.
Yeah, LT Gym, good morning! Let's have some do workout, boxing, cardio. It's my cardio time. Please follow
Rolling
Colin,
Dexter.
please, and please follow me, Jasmine Rao. I'm also quite black. I don't know how to perform well, but I can.
English baka na, English baka.
Oh, English pa ka gamay.
Siksi ra guys mga may. Ala.
Good morning, everyone. Please come at ALT Gym Fitness. Let's do some boxing, cardio.
Jab. Upward, slow, straight. Hit. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Under. Hook sit. Under. Upper hook sit. Okay. Oop. One, two.
Oh my God. Okay.
Again. 1, 2. Oh. Uy. Uy. Jab. Double upper. Gas. Three. Tago. Gas. Uy. Oop. Jab. Hi.
Hi. Please come over here. Let's do some boxing.
Hey. Oh, under hook sit. Upper hook sit.
Action.
Double jab yan ng sit. Sit. Sit.
Straight like
Go. Kanawa. Bang. Okay, go. Tanaw ka.
bago na na.
Tanaw yan.
Bago din na siya.
Go. Ay.
Ano? Tara na ako dyan. Bago na ako dyan.
Sige. Ala. Go. Hook din na. Okay, go. Again.
Hindi na ako. Ay!
Hindi ko kaya. 2 minutes na. 3 minutes mo.
Ha?
Tama na, 3 minutes man.
Uy, tara ka.